A big extracurricular building opportunity for every students. Now we are launching Cross the Sky Limits internship program for everyone. So after completing our 1 month internship program in September month with 20 students as an experiment and implementing many changes or investing lots of money, time and everything, now we are come with a perfect and best internship program for international students who want to get into top tier universities. And according to these 20 students, this internship changed their lives and was helpful for their college applications. So just go and apply for this internship, and it's free of cost. That means you don't have to pay a single penny. Even after completing this internship, you got lots of things like there are many surprises, many cash prizes, and there are lots of things waiting for you. If you are thinking that you have a lack of time, so don't worry. Our first priority is you. This internship is flexible and you just have to invest your 1 to 2 hours a daily, and you can work with flexibility, so don't worry about that. There are 4 categories in this internship. First is web development. Our brain dislikes wasting time with information we don't use, so it's the best opportunity for you to learn by applying. And second is entrepreneurship. As a teacher and entrepreneur for the past 6 years, I can tell you that you never become an entrepreneur by just watching videos or just purchasing some courses, because there are many scammers like these. They are just saying if you purchase my course you will become a millionaire and billionaire. So it's a scam, so don't think about that. So if you want to become a real entrepreneur, in this internship you have a chance to work like an entrepreneur. And according to my experience, becoming an entrepreneur is all about taking actions and always hungry for learning new things consistently, taking risk and managing time, choosing the right things, having patience and having perseverance. I can guarantee that after completing this internship, you will get lots of things, and there are many things that are not available on internet and anywhere. And after completing this internship, I guaranteed you will also agree with me. So just apply and get started. So third internship is research internship. Conducting a research is not only about collecting information. It's an art of doing something with properly, creatively, and applying all possible possibilities. So in this internship, you will got everything from scratch, from zero to hero, everything related to research. Fourth one is content creation. So if you are an influencer, truelancer, you are teacher, businessman, whoever online existence, then I definitely sure you know the importance of content creation. Like it is the most demanding, and however, in order to create viral, attractive and high quality content, you must learn some basics and secrets that are not available on any YouTube video and on Google. And during this internship, you will have the opportunity to learn everything. Just learn by applying. After completing this internship, you got lots of things, and first is our official certified certificate. So you can see that the certificate, and in the corner of these certificates you can see that the please verify. So if you click on verify, you redirected on the page where everything related to your internship is available, like your duration, your topic for internship, and your performance. Everything is available on this page, and there are lots of things. And second is letter of recommendation. We will provide you a letter of recommendation. Third one is most important, membership of Future MITians Club. So what is Future MITians Club? It is not easy to get membership of this club. In this club, I have some most dedicated students who really want to get into top universities. Like there are not only high school graduates. There are some IITians. There are some other students who studied in top universities, and they want to get into top universities. And this club will really helpful for you. And if we're talking about membership fees, then it's free of cost for you. And I think we never compared this in membership with money or anything. It's a valuable thing for you. So just click on the link and just redirect on our website, official website, and fill some details and just apply for this internship. After completing this application form, you will redirect it on the page where you have to schedule a meeting with me. So after schedule a meeting, we just have meet 1-to-1, and I explain everything about internship, and there are many things we will cover in the next. So see you soon in internship program. Love you all, and cross the sky limits. Bye bye. Love you.